The steps shown in this video can also be found in the installation manual. Please refer to it for more detailed information. This video will only cover the steps of a panel installation. For a video covering a full installation of a Beko dishwasher, click on the link in the description below. A panel template and all the hardware are included with the installation instructions. Be sure to use all the supplied components in the installation process. There are two different ways to install the panel as shown here. One has the panel flush with the top of the display and the other extends above it. We will be focusing on the A method in this illustration. If using the B method, measure down from the top edge of the panel the distance you wish to extend above the display and place the template there. Ensure your panel meets the required dimensions and weight shown in the installation manual. Unfold the panel template and find the center of your panel. Make a mark on the top edge of your panel as seen here. Place the panel template flush with the top of the panel, aligning it with the center mark you just made. Now tape one side of the template in place so that it doesn't move. Be sure the template is smoothed out and still flush with the top edge of the panel and tape the other side. Use a sharp instrument to make a mark in the panel at the location shown here on each side. Take a piece of tape and measure a 1/2 inch from the end of a 1/8 inch bit and wrap the tape at that measurement. Now fold back the template, place the drill bit on your mark, and drill down to the tape on the bit. Repeat this step on the other side. In the panel hardware bag, you will find 2 adhesive hook and loop fasteners, 2 panel mounting studs, 2 1 5/8 inch wood screws, which we will use at the end of the installation, and 2 wood screws, which will be used to secure the panel mounting studs. Fasten the mounting studs with the 1-inch screws to the holes you just drilled. You can now remove the template. Install your custom handle or knob according to the instructions that came with them, ensuring the screws that secure the handle have countersunk heads. Peel the protective cover off one side of the adhesive strip and apply it to the location of the dishwasher door shown here. Repeat this step for the other strip. Now remove the outer protective cover on both adhesive strips as shown here. Open the dishwasher door and remove the plastic plugs located in the 5th screw position from the top on each side. You will now take the panel and slide the mounting studs into the channels on each side of the door as seen here. Now slide the panel down until it is flush with the top of the display. Hold it in this position and squeeze the bottom of the panel to the door, engaging the adhesive strips. Secure the bottom of the panel with the 1 5/8 inch screw on each side as seen here. Your custom panel installation is now complete.